Here is the traffic of Tehran on a rainy day. As you can see, average speed is less than walking speed. Now walking on Vali-e-Asr uphill. Cars are struggling to make up with me. Some local lady. And I've got to walk about half an hour, but it will surely take less than on a car. It will be also less expensive. And that car is having a fast stretch. It's a local news agent. Caught up quickly. It's quite interesting. Seem to have Christmas lights up there. It's nothing to do with Christmas. These lights are commonly in Iran put on the streets, on buildings, just because they're thought to be decorative. It's a flower shop. Very common to find flower kiosks. Local girls are crazy for flowers. Still keep overtaking cars. Yeah, traffic jam in all directions. Wouldn't let us go. Very interesting. Across the street in this